Me, Danyon, and Blue are all in the tent outside. We're camping, aren't we? Are you happy?
Almost.
Almost.
I mean, like almost camping.
Almost camping, that's right. One of these days we'll go actual camping, huh? Another night in the tent. Hi. So, we have the TV going. And once Danyon is asleep, I'm going to be watching some Family Guy and not SpongeBob. Going good. My friend brought me a small pizza that is bacon chicken ranch pizza, which is my favorite. We have a little mini TV going, which is on SpongeBob. We got our poppers and we got a Danyon. How are you liking camping so far?
Good.
It's fun? You want to actually do it in real life?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're just eating, watching SpongeBob with our dog. I think he enjoys it. Now comes the sleepy part. Right? Yeah.